let us study about fraction. On the screen you see an apple. This apple is cut into two equal parts. Each part is half of this apple. This is represented by 1 by 2. We get two equal parts, that is two halves. We get the two 1 by 2 parts. Here is a circle. This circle is cut into two pieces, two equal parts. This each part is called 1 by 2 part of the circle. Here a rectangle is cut into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 4th of this rectangle. The second 1 by 4th part. This is a third 1 by 4th part. This is the last fourth 1 by 4 part. Here is a square which is divided into 4 equal parts. Each equal part is 1 by 4 part of this square. Each one is 1 by 4. Then 3 green colored square is combined. So this square is one part, single square is other part. This type it is divided. 3 green colored parts is called 3 by 4th of this square, and yellow colored part is 1 by 4th of this square. On the screen you can see the photos of halwa pieces and dairy milk chocolate bar. In the first case, a halwa piece is divided into 5 equal parts. So each equal part is the fraction of 1 by 5. The second case, a halwa piece is divided into 3 equal parts. So each halwa piece is the fraction of 1 by 3. In the case of dairy milk, the dairy milk bar is divided into 24 equal parts. So each part is 1 by 24 part of the whole chocolate bar. Now you got idea about fraction. Let us see the examples. 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 3 by 7 are the examples of fractions. In 1 by 2, the above number 1 is called numerator. The below number 2 is called the denominator. Fractions can be divided into 3: proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. Proper fractions: 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 12. In these fractions, we can notice that the numerators are smaller than the denominators. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, the fraction is called a proper fraction. improper fractions. See the examples: 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 7 by 5 and 19 by 12. In these fractions we can notice that the numerators are greater than the denominators. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, the fraction is called an improper fraction. Mixed fractions. The combination of a number and a fraction is called a mixed fraction. 5 1 by 2, 3 1 by 3, 7 2 by 3, 3 3 by 5, 9 7 by 12 are the examples for mixed fractions. Like fractions, if the denominators of fractions are same, the fractions are called like fractions. 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 5 by 4 and 7 by 4. In these fractions the denominators are same, so they are called like fractions. Unlike fractions, if the denominators of fractions are different, the fractions are called unlike fractions. Examples: 3 by 5, 1 by 4, 5 by 3 and 7 by 8. In these fractions the denominators are different, so these fractions are called unlike fractions. Let us understand what are equivalent fractions. Here is the fraction 3 by 5, which is multiplied by a number. Here take 2. The numerator is multiplied by 2 and denominator is also multiplied by the same number 2. Then we get new fraction, that is 6 by 10. Let us take another number to multiply, that is 3. The numerator is multiplied with 3 and denominator is multiplied the same number 3. Then the new fraction we get is 9 by 15. Again 3 by 5 is multiplied by another new number, that is with 5. Both numerator and denominators are multiplied with 5. The newly produced fraction is 15 by 25. Then we can say that 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 15 by 25 are the equivalent fractions, because these fractions were produced from the same fraction. Equal fractions. If we multiply both numerator and denominator of a fraction with a common number, the newly formed fraction is called an equal